Welcome back, children. Okay, so today we will learn the new alphabet. Which alphabet we are going to learn? Yes, it is alphabet E. It is alphabet E. Look at it, how it looks. देखो कैसे दिखता है alphabet E. It has a one standing line and three slipping lines, right? So this is alphabet E. Now children, let me tell you how it sound. Alphabet E का sound क्या है? It has a sound A. E has a sound A. Also, it has a sound of E. It has a sound of E. Two sounds it has, right? In our vowel lesson, we have learned it, right? E has a sound of A and it has a sound of E. Okay. So, let meet the friends of the alphabet E. First friend, the cute friend of the alphabet E is elephant. See the sound of E? A. E has a sound of A. So, E is for elephant. Read with me. E is for elephant. Okay. So, children, see the trunk of the elephant. This is the trunk of the elephant. It moves its trunk, right? You wanted to move like elephant? Wanted to move? Let me show you. What you have to do? You have to touch one of your ear, then put one of your hand out of the another and move like an elephant. Move the trunk like an elephant. Yes. Okay. So, E is for elephant. Next is E is for egg. E is for egg. Yes, children. Do you eat eggs? Eggs खाते हैं आप लोग? Yes. It has lot of proteins. We should eat eggs. E is for eggs. E is for eyes. E is for eyes. Yes, children. E is for eyes. E is for ears. E is for ears. E has also sound of E, right? So E is for ears. What is this? Yes, engine. E is for engine. E is for engine. What is this, children? This is a eggplant. E is for eggplant. The big brinjal, right? It is called as eggplant. E is for eggplant. Okay. Now, who are these people? कौन है ये लोग? E is for Eskimos. E has the sound of A, right? E is for Eskimos. Eskimos कौन है? Yes, children, these are the people who live in the polar region, right? जहाँ पे बहुत सारा बर्फ होता है ना? Yes, they live in the polar region, around the Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean के आसपास रहते हैं ये लोग. So they are called as Eskimos. Who are they? They are Eskimos. Okay. Now E is for elf. E is for elf. Now who is elf? Elf कौन है? Children, elf is they are the imaginary characters actually, right? In Germany में they are imaginary characters है. they are as they are known as they have a magical power. हाँ, जैसे वो लोग उनमें ना मैजिकल पावर होती है. पीपल थिंक लाइक दैट कि लोगों को लगता है कि दे आर इमेजिनरी है, बट दे हैव अ मैजिकल powers, right? So they are known as elf. They are elf. Okay. So yes, this is a emu. This is a emu. Yes, it is a bird. Emu is a bird. E is for emu. E is for emu. Okay. Now let's revise it again. Revise करेंगे, ठीक है? Okay. E is for elephant. Read with me. E is for elephant. E is for egg. E is for egg. E is for engine. E is for engine. E is for Eskimos. E is for Eskimos. E is for elf. E is for elf. E is for elbow. E is for elbow. Yes. Okay. So children, these all were the friends of E. Okay. Now we will study how to write E. It is very easy. Yes, I know you can write it easily. What you have to do? You have to draw a standing line, then slipping line, standing line, slipping line, E. 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 Yes, you can write it. Yes. E. Okay. Yes. See, we have written E. Okay. So, you have to write the E. Now, it's a activity time. Okay. What you have to do? Color the E's purple. Now, you have to color here. Here, you have to color the E's purple. Purple color करेंगे E को. Okay. Now, tell me. Is this a E? Yes? Okay, let's color it. Color it purple. Yes, we have colored it purple. Now, is it a E? No. Is this a E? No. Is this a E? Yes. Now, color it. Okay. Now, children, is this a E? Yes. So, color this too. Is this a E? No. Is this a E? No. Is this a E? No. Is this a E? Yes. So color this too. Is this a E? No. Yes, we have colored the all E's. Now, the next activity. What is it? Circle the word that starts with E. What you have to do? You have to circle the words that starts with E. Okay. Now look at this, children. Who is he? Elephant. So, elephant starts with E? Yes. E has the sound of A. So, A, E is for elephant. So, circle the elephant. Yes. Now, who is it? Fish. Fish has a sound of E. No. Yes. Now, who is it? Duck. It is duck. Duck has a sound of E. It starts with E. No, it starts with D, right? We learn it into the last session. Now what is it? Flower. It is a flower. Flower starts with E. No. Now what is it? Dog. Dog starts with the E. No, dog starts with a D. Yes, what is this? Elbow. E is for elbow. So we will circle it. Yes, we will circle the elbow. Right? Very good. Next activity. Connect the E's purple. Now what you have to do, you have to connect the E's. We will connect the E's. Okay? Yes. Where is E, children? You have to connect the E. This is E? Yes. Is this E? No. Is this E? No. Is this E? No. Is this E? Yes. So connect this E. Yes. Okay. Now is this E? No. Is this E? No. Is this E? No. Is this E, children? Yes. So connect this two. Yes. Okay. In this way, we have to connect the all E's. Okay. So you understood E? Okay. Our session is over. Meet you in the next session. Read it at your home. Okay? Bye-bye. Take care.